Okay, here's the next problem. I already did a kind of a head start here. Let's go back to see what I did. We factored it. Factored out 2 in the numerator, x in the denominator. They cancel. X minus 3. Your simplified function is 2 over x. Well, that's nice. Looks a lot simpler. So my points of discontinuity are from the original equation before simplified. Whenever you whatever the denominator is equal to 0, so it's going to be 0 and 3. My holes are where it canceled. It's just going to be 3, undefined. My horizontal asymptote, this happens to be a type 1 function. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 0. And my vertical asymptote is going to be where the denominator is equal to 0, the simplified equation. So it's going to be x equals 0. Okay, so I'll make you want to type the function in. I already had it typed in. I almost forgot to tell you. But I typed in 2 divided by x, hit graph. And notice it never crosses the x-axis or the y-axis. So my intercepts are none. So if you got this problem, you should smile because it was a little easier. So since my vertical asymptote is 0, I'm going to pick 2 numbers to the left, which happens to be -1 and -2. 2 numbers to the right, 1 and 2. And now you just go to your table. Let's see, -1 is -2. -2 is -1. -1, 1 is 2. And 2 is 1. And after this, you literally just draw your graph. But again, if I'm going too fast when you're doing these, just pause it. All right, so this one looks a little weird because my y-axis is x equals 0, which is your asymptote, vertical. And then my other asymptote is the x-axis, which is y equals 0. All right, plot your points. Let's see, -1, -2, about here. -2, -1, about here. 1, 2, 2, 1. And this one has a hole at 3. Go over 3. I'll pull up. It's about right here from S looking at my graph. And your graph looks something like this. This was the fastest graph. Only 2 minutes and 52, a little more than that seconds. That's it. That's all you had to do.